Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why some provinces are rich in factories and mines while others focus more on farming or tourism? Well, economic geography is one of the most relevant topics for learners in South Africa today. As we study the layout of industries and resources, we begin to understand how geography influences where people live, what jobs they do, and how development occurs. In this lesson, the focus will be on the primary and secondary sectors of the economy in South Africa, two critical components of South Africa's economic development. So, in previous grades, you learned about natural resources, population distribution, and settlement patterns. You also studied how South Africa's physical geography, like its minerals, rivers, and the soil, affects how the land is used. Today, we build on that knowledge to explore how these natural features connect to economic activities such as mining, farming, and manufacturing. This lesson helps us bring those ideas together and understand how economic geography shapes our daily lives. We start by considering a simple question. Why are gold mines located in Gauteng, Johannesburg, and not in the Western Cape? This is a geographical question with economic consequences. The primary sector includes industries that rely directly on the natural resources. These can include mining, agriculture, fishing, and forestry. In South Africa, mining remains a dominant activity within this sector, contributing significantly to exports and employment. You, as learners, are often aware of gold or diamond mining, but may not fully grasp how geology and the topography and access to transport influence the location of mines. On the other hand, the secondary sector involves industries that process raw materials into more finished products. These include manufacturing, construction, and energy production. In South Africa, the secondary sector is largely concentrated around the major urban areas such as Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Durban. Due to their better infrastructure, access to skilled and unskilled labor, and proximity to transport networks like ports in the Cape and roads. Understanding the interdependence of these sectors is crucial. Mines need processing plants, while agriculture depends on fertilizer factories and manufacturing needs steel from smelters. These economic activities shape settlement patterns and create job opportunities, but they also come with environmental challenges such as pollution, deforestation, and soil degradation. This lesson is designed to help you make connections between what you see around you, the mines, factories, transport routes, and of course the broader economic principles. It also sets the stage for critical thinking. So, I encourage you today not only to memorize the content that we've mentioned, but also to ask yourself these few questions. What are the advantages and disadvantages of economic concentration in one province? How do industries impact environmental and local communities? What policies could help make South Africa's economy more equitable and sustainable? Yeah. By the end of the lesson, you should have developed a spatial and economic understanding of the primary and secondary sectors in South Africa. We will be using real-life examples, maps, and some learner-centered activities, which I will get into with you just now.